My name's Papa Drew. I'm going to go on adventures in a 38-foot Thomas school bus that I've converted into a Skoolie. Right now we're in Mount Pleasant, Texas doing Arctic training. It's 27 degrees. The struggle is real. Seriously, it's cold. Like, hands in sweaters cold. But this KOA has been amazing. The people are so nice. You're going to want to come stay here. It's right off of the 30, which is right over here. There's a Dollar General within walking distance. Let me see if I can get the, there we go. There's a Dollar General just right over there. And then there's a barbecue place that's just right within walking distance of the KOA. So everything you need is right here. They got propane on site. They got trash. They got really friendly customer service. They've been holding my mail for me because I'm a full-time nomad. Where's the sun? There it is. So I'm a full-time nomad now that's extremely cold. My feet are freezing, 27 degrees. I didn't think, but yeah. So they've been holding my mail here, and I can't say enough. I'm paying $40 a night for a back-end site. They have pull-through sites, and then they have just regular sites. I did some filming up there on some of the pricing and stuff, so you can see that. Campground is clean. It's a 9 out of 10 stars. I mean, you know, it's just a great campground. People are super friendly. They have a Camp K9. There's even a little pond out here. I wonder if you can go fishing. I don't know. I'll have to find out for you. But right now, in end of February, early beginning of March, 27 degrees. Thank God for full hookups. And thank God that mini splits have heat pumps in them, or else the struggle really would have been real. So we got to do some stuff over at the builders. We're going to work on the generator today. I'm going to get the Chinese diesel heater to not send smoke signals through my whole bus. I look like an episode of Cheech and Chong when I fired that thing up with smoke pouring out of the windows. We're going to get that fixed. I got a trailer hitch put on the back of the bus. We're going to put the generator, I think, in the trailer hitch for right now. And I'll probably put it in the full-size F-250. And then we're going to start going around America. We're probably going to go to a lot of the Elks Lodges. So if you're an Elks member, you're definitely going to subscribe and share and like this out. Even if you're not, that would be greatly appreciated. But we're going to go to a lot of Elks places and camp there, and I'll show you what the facilities are like at the Elks. Swimming pool's up there, 27 degrees. It's probably an ice skating rink right now. Skate rentals are they're not. Don't come here and ask for ice skate. They don't have them. Anyway, peace, love, and hippies, man, and I'll catch you on the road. Got a lot of stuff to film and talk about in the build series, so that's coming up. Stay tuned. Bus number 85, or like what I like to call, blah, 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 blah. And that's all, folks.